Car scratch removers are products designed to help eliminate the unsightly scratches and blemishes that can accumulate on the surface of your car over time. These scratches can be caused by a variety of factors, including road debris, accidents, and even just everyday wear and tear. A good car scratch remover can help to restore your vehicle's finish, making it look new again. There are many different types of car scratch removers available on the market, each with its own unique set of benefits and drawbacks. Some are designed for use on specific types of finishes, while others are more versatile and can be used on a wider range of surfaces. In this video, we will explore some of the best car scratch removers on the market and help you find the one that is right for your needs. At number 1 is the SONAX Profiline Perfect Finish. If you're looking for a reliable and efficient car scratch remover, the SONAX Profiline Perfect Finish is the product for you. This amazing formula can remove all kinds of paint defects in a single step, including scratches, sanded paint defects, dust inclusions, paint runs, and water spots, without the need for wet sanding or compounding. What sets this product apart is its high gloss finish that creates an OEM look with a hologram-free paint surface. It also works beautifully on all clear coats and paint finishes, making it one of the most flexible compound polishes available on the market. Additionally, the single-step process saves time and makes paint corrections far less labor-intensive and time-consuming. The product's diminishing abrasive technology provides up to P2000 sanding scratch removal and finish out to an OEM shine. If you have marks of P2000 grit or finer on your car's surface, the SONAX Perfect Finish Medium Cut Polish is the perfect solution for you. It removes marks of P2000 grit or finer, including scratches, dust inclusions, sanded paint defects, paint runs, and water spots, without damaging the clear coat. Another benefit of SONAX Perfect Finish is that it is silicone and dust-free. Its water-based formula will not dry out like other polishes and contains no solvents, silicones, or petroleum, creating no dust during the compounding process, so polishing pads stay cleaner longer. We recommend applying the SONAX Profiline Perfect Finish with a rotary polisher and a SONAX 6-inch orange polishing pad. For the SONAX Perfect Finish Medium Cut Polish, we recommend using a rotary polisher and a SONAX Green Medium Foam pad. At number 2 is the Carfidant Scratch and Swirl Remover. Carfidant Scratch and Swirl Remover is the perfect solution for those looking to restore their car's paint to its former glory. This kit comes with everything you need to easily remove scratches, swirls, and other marks from your car's paint, making it look brand new again. The special rubbing compound included in the kit is formulated to remove water spots, oxidation, and other contaminants from your car's paint, restoring its gloss and shine. Using the included buffer pad, you can easily buff out any imperfections by hand without the need for any extra tools or equipment. One of the standout features of this kit is the premium chemicals used in its formulation. Carfidant ensures that only the best chemicals are used, with no unnecessary color dyes or scents, making it easy for anyone to use. The cutting polishing compound in the formula is specifically formulated to provide the best results possible, allowing you to go right to work with the kit. The Carfidant Scratch and Swirl Remover is also safe for use on all paint colors, whether it's a clear coat, single stage, or multi-stage paint. This means that you can use it on any car, regardless of its make or model, with confidence. Another great feature of this product is that it's made in the USA, ensuring that you're getting a high-quality product that's been made to the highest standards. Carfidant is so confident in their product that they offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee. If you're not completely satisfied with your purchase, they will refund you in full, no questions asked. At number 3 is the Meguiars Car Scratch Remover. The Meguiars Car Scratch Remover Kit is a must-have for anyone looking to easily remove paint blemishes from their car. This kit includes a 4 inches scratch eraser pad, a 4 ounces bottle of Meguiars Scratch, and a premium microfiber towel to make scratch removal quick and effortless. The scratch eraser pad attaches to a standard household drill, greatly reducing the time and effort it takes for light car scratch removal. The Scratch is a car scratch remover that removes light scratches, scuffs, blemishes, and paint transfer quickly and easily from glossy paint and clear coat surfaces. Using the Meguiars Car Scratch Remover Kit is as easy as shake, apply, and polish. Simply shake the scratch well, apply it to the included eraser pad, and polish the affected area of your vehicle with 4 to 6 overlapping passes to gain a like-new car shine. The results are amazing. Defects are removed, and the shine is enhanced. After using the scratch eraser pad and scratches, you can follow up with a wax like Meguiars Ultimate Quick Wax or Meguiars Ultimate Liquid Wax for added protection, beauty, and shine. Overall, the Meguiars Car Scratch Remover Kit is a fantastic investment for any car owner looking to remove unsightly scratches and blemishes from their car's paint. It's easy to use, produces great results, and includes everything you need to restore your car's shine. At number 4 is the Shine Armor Car Scratch Remover. Introducing the Shine Armor Car Scratch Remover, the revolutionary solution to restoring the shine and protecting the paint of your vehicle. This product is a game changer for car owners who want to save money and time while keeping their ride looking brand new. What sets this product apart is its powerful formula that removes oxidation, scratches, and swirls without damaging the paint. Unlike other scratch removers that contain fillers and waxes, the Revive Scratch Repair is made of detail-grade compounds that ensure pure quality from the get-go. Plus, it creates little to no dusting, making the application process hassle-free. The long-lasting durability and protection of this product is also impressive. Experience a DIY coating that provides long-term protection for a minimum of 6+ months. The Revive Scratch Repair instantly protects your ride from harmful UV rays, water, dirt, and dust on contact. You can watch as your vehicle repels water while retaining slickness and gloss. You'll be stress-free knowing that your ride is ultra-protected for extended periods of time. Applying the Revive Scratch Repair is easy and convenient. The bottle and rubbing application process can be done at home, which means you don't have to pay high prices to get these repairs fixed. You can save money and time with Shine Armor's premium paint restore that treats water spots, oxidations, and many other contaminants that ruin your paint. At number 5 is the Turtle Wax 50935 Scratch Repair. Turtle Wax 50935 Scratch Repair is a revolutionary product that promises to restore your vehicle's paint to its original condition. With its unique heal and seal technology, the 207 grams bottle repairs light to heavy scratches, swirls, paint transfer, water spots, and other paint contamination with self-aligning platelet technology. This scratch repair and renew product is formulated with precision platelets that safely remove scratches and leave your vehicle's paint looking like new. It can be used on all vehicles, including home appliances. Its protective resins deposit a barrier for permanent paint restoration, keeping the restored paint looking new for a long time. The easy-to-use product can be applied by hand or machine, making it accessible to everyone. To use by hand, dispense a small amount onto a foam applicator pad or small, clean microfiber towel. Use gentle back and forth pressure for 30 seconds. Reapply until desired results are achieved. Finish by wiping lightly with a microfiber towel. For use with a dot polish orbital, dispense a small amount onto a clean, soft foam pad. Apply with 1500 RPMs and light pressure. Reapply as necessary until scratches and swirl marks are removed. Wipe with a dry or damp microfiber towel to remove any excess product. This product is easy to apply, effective, and delivers results in one use. It will leave your vehicle looking like it just came off the showroom floor. Turtle Wax 50935 Scratch Repair and Renew is a must-have product for anyone who wants to keep their vehicle looking like new. So if you want to get rid of those unsightly scratches, swirls, and paint transfer on your vehicle, this product is definitely worth trying out. At the end, it is important to remember that worrying about money doesn't actually do anything to help. Instead, it can actually lead to more anxiety and stress. So the best way to stop worrying about money is to take some time for yourself, relax, and let go. Finally, remind yourself that you can always fix things if they get too tough.